Hey guys, let me show you a quick overview of this silicone protective case that comes with the Poco C85. So take a look. For the first, if we're gonna put it on the phone like that, it's actually quite easy to put it on. We have to start from the edges like that. And now the first thing that you can spot over here, that we can find this camera bumper. So it's gonna protect the camera island even when we put it like this on a flat surface, so we shouldn't actually scratch our screen. Also, when you take a look on the front, all four corners comes above the screen. So also when you put it like this, we shouldn't actually scratch our display. This is the full transparency case. We can find cutout for the power button, but here we can also find the fingerprint sensor. So it is not located in the display, it's over here, and there's the cutout. So it's really good and it's basically well made. We can also find cutouts over here at the bottom, and at the top there's actually no any cutout. And that's basically everything. That's just a quick overview. I hope you find it useful.